Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Viewers, today's our lecture is linear equations. In this lecture, we will define equation, then linear equation, and finally, we will solve linear equations. Dear students, do you listen me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you ready to attend the lecture?
Yes.
Okay. Our topic is linear equation. First of all, we will define linear equation and then linear equation. Now, before defining the equation or linear equation, look at mathematical sentence. Box plus 8 is equal to 12. Can you answer which number can satisfy this statement?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes. Anybody can tell.
4.
4. If we put 4 here in the box, then we have 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 and the situation or condition or equation is satisfied. Now, my second question is whether any other number can satisfy this equation. If we replace box with any other number, equation will be satisfied or not? Anyone, please?
No.
No. If we put 5, obviously it will not satisfy. If we put, look at here, if we put 5 here, what will happen? 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. And the left hand side of the equation is not equal to the right hand side because on the right hand side 12 is placed. Equation mean balance. This is the here we have left hand side of the equation. This is left hand side of the equation and this is right hand side of the equation. When left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then it is balanced and it is known as equation. But as you know, if we replace a box by another number, then obviously on the left hand side, we have a number which will not be equal to 12. That's why 4 is the only solution of this problem. Any questions, please?
No.
Okay. If we replace box with x, what is x here? Can anybody tell me? What is x?
Variable.
Variable. Is it non-variable or not non-variable? Unknown variable.
Not known.
It is
Not known.
it is an unknown variable. First of all, once again, I repeat, the students who joined box plus 8 was given to you is equal to 12. Then you replace box by 4 and the equation is balanced. Now we are next doing what we are doing next. We are replacing box by with some variable x. And what is this? X plus 8 is equal to 12. This is once again an equation. Can anybody tell me what is the difference between this equation and this equation?
Excuse me, sir, can I tell?
Just wait a minute, please. Okay, I was asking question, what is the basic difference between this equation 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 and x plus 8 is equal to 12? Can anybody answer? Are you listening me? Students?
Yes, sir.
Can anybody answer? What is the difference between these two?
Sir, ऊपर 4 आएगा.
क्या आएगा ऊपर?
4.
नहीं, 4 तो है ना यहाँ पे, 4 + 8 = 12. This is an equation, and here x + 8 = 12. I'm asking what is the difference between these two equations? It was very simple to answer. In this equation, no variable is involved, and in this equation, one variable is involved. This was the answer. Understand? In this equation, no variable is involved. 4 + 8 = 12. No variable involved. All are constants. 4, 8, and 12 are constants. Why these are constant? We know their numerical values. These are the constants. 4 cannot be changed. 8 cannot be changed. 12 cannot be changed. 12 remains 12. 4 remains 4. 8 remains 8. But here x is the variable and this is unknown variable. It can be replaced with any number, and here in this condition, in this equation, only 4 can satisfy. Okay. X + 8 = 12 is known as an equation. This equation in which x is unknown or variable is known as an equation. The equality sign means that the total value on the left hand side of the equation x + 8 must be the same as the value on the right hand side of the equation. As I earlier told you that this is the left hand side of the equation and this is the right hand side of the equation. Left hand side should always be equal to right hand side. You can ask question if you have some confusions. Next, to solve x + 8 = 12 means to find the value of x so that the values on both sides of the equation are equal. That is, x satisfies the equation. Here we know the value of x is 4, which is satisfied by the equation. Any other value of x can satisfy this equation? Zohaib, x + 8 = 12. Any other value of x can satisfy this equation? Zohaib, are you there? Zohaib?
Yes.
Any other value can satisfy x + 8 = 12. This equation is satisfied by 4. Look at here. When we put x = 4,
Yes.
any other value can satisfy. If we put 5 here, x = 5, what will happen?
X की वैल्यू 5 हो जाएगी.
तो क्या वो सेटिस्फाई करेगा इसको, इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगी? x अगर आप 5 पुट करते हैं तो 5 + 8 क्या होता है?
5 + 8 13.
तो 13 12 के इक्वल है.
No.
That's why 5 will not satisfy this equation, and therefore 5 is not the solution of the equation. For example, if we substitute x is equal to 1 in this equation, x is equal to 1, 1 + 8, 1 + 8 becomes 9, which is not equal to 12. Thus, x is equal to 1 does not satisfy the equation. Look at the equation, x + 8 is equal to 12. However, if we substitute x equal to 4, we will have x + 8 is equal to 4 + 8 is equal to 12. Hence, x is equal to 4 satisfies the equation. अब आपको ये पता चला कि इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करने से क्या मुराद है, ये पता चला आपको. What does it mean to satisfy the equation? अननोन जो है, जो वेरिएबल है, उसकी जो वैल्यू इक्वेशन की लेफ्ट हैंड और राइट हैंड साइड को बैलेंस रखे, वो उसे कहेंगे वो सेटिस्फाई करती है, और जो उसको अनबैलेंस कर दे उसे कहेंगे कि वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं करती. जैसा कि x = 1 जब हमने यहाँ पुट किया तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे 9 आया, राइट हैंड साइड पे 12 है. यहाँ पे x = 1 पुट करते हैं तो 1 + 8 9 आता है. 9 12 के इक्वल नहीं है तो अनबैलेंस्ड होगी, इसने इसको सेटिस्फाई नहीं किया। लेकिन जब आपने x की जगह 4 पुट किया, 4 + 8 12, तो दैट रिमेन्स बैलेंस्ड। तो इसने x इज इक्वल टू 4 ने इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई कर दिया। जो नंबर इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा वो उसका सोल्यूशन कहलाएगा। x इज इक्वल टू 4 इज कॉल्ड द सोल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन। क्विकली आप मुझे बताएंगे कि लीनियर जो हमने इक्वेशन पढ़ी है उसको सॉल्व करना भी आपने देखा है कि उसका सोल्यूशन से क्या मीनिंग है। सोल्यूशन से मीनिंग क्या है? वो वैल्यूज, अननोन वेरिएबल की वो वैल्यूज जो उसको इक्वेशन को बैलेंस रखें बोथ साइड्स को। नेक्स्ट we define the linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Equation of the form ax plus b is equal to c. Kids, please listen this topic carefully. I will ask you question by name, and the students which I ask should answer the question. Look at the equation. All of you are listening?
Yes.
Okay. Equation of the form ax plus b is equal to c. इस फॉर्म की जो इक्वेशन होगी वो लीनियर इक्वेशन कहलाएगी इन वन वेरिएबल. Equation of the form ax plus b is equal to c is called linear equation in one variable. Zohaib, can you tell me in this equation which one is the variable? Look at the equation. Ax plus b is equal to c. Please, nobody should hesitate. If you give wrong answer, doesn't matter. Ax plus
X variable.
yes, obviously x is a variable. Equation of the form, yes.
X is the variable in this equation.
Okay, yes, you're absolutely right. Ax plus b is equal to c. This form, equation of the form ax plus b is equal to c is basically linear equation in one variable, and variable is x. Here x is a variable, a, b and c are constants. Understand? Linear equation in one variable is the equation of the form ax plus b is equal to c, where x is variable and a, b, c are all constants. Now, keeping this definition in mind, look at the equation x plus 8 is equal to 12, and please answer one by one. Is it a linear equation? This equation now under consideration, equation
Yes.
is, oh yes, x plus 8 is equal to 12 is the linear equation. Clear?
X की power 1 है इसलिए.
यस, शाबाश. x की पावर 1 है. ये अभी करेक्टर मैंने नहीं बताया, लेकिन आप ये कह सकते हैं कि चूंकि ये वाली देखें ax plus b is equal to c, उसी फॉर्म की ये इक्वेशन है. x plus 8 is the equation of the form ax plus b. अब आंसर केयरफुली दीजिएगा. मुझे आप बताएं कि ये जो लीनियर इक्वेशन है x plus 8 is equal to 12, what is a in this equation? Carefully. If somebody knows the answer, please ask me before
One.
give one. How you tell this is one? A is equal to 1.
X के साथ क्योंकि कोई भी नहीं है.
शाबाश. Zohaib is answering.
Yes.
देखिए x के साथ जो कोई भी नहीं है ना, एक्चुअली x के साथ 1 है. Look at here when we were defining when we were defining linear equation, here the coefficient of x is a. What is this a? This is the coefficient of x. And what is here? What is the coefficient of x here? If in the product nothing is written, means 1. 1, obviously. That's why
Yes.
this a, the coefficient of x is 1 in this particular case, because here the coefficient of x is 1. क्योंकि सबको समझ आ गई है?
Yes.
Or what is B?
Constant.
Constant. But I'm asking about the value of B.
1. 8.
8. Why 8? Because B is placed here. And on the comparison, what is placed here? 8.
8.
That's why the value of B is 8. Now, Hamna, can you tell me about the value of C?
Sir, can I tell?
No.
12.
Let-
Can I
12.
Let her
Sir,
tell. Yes. 12. Why? Basically,
Sir,
C.
because
12.
it
Oh.
is placed in the position of 3.
Yes. It is placed on the right hand side of the equation, and here 12 is placed on the right hand side of the equation. Matching the positions, we get the value of C is 12. So, shabash, everybody gave correct answer. And next, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to 12. Okay, look at some more equations. Here is one question. Is x square plus 8 is equal to 12? Remember, x plus 8 is equal to 12 is the linear equation. Is x square plus 8 is equal to 12 a linear equation?
Yes.
No. This is not linear equation. What's the difference between x plus 8 is equal to 12 and x square plus 8 is equal to 12?
X की power 2 है.
Yes.
X की power 2.
x की पावर 2 आ गई है. अब ये लिनियरिटी नहीं रही. लिनियरिटी जो है वो खत्म हो चुकी है. ये जो
Excuse me, sir.
just a minute please. If the power of variable is not 1, more than 1, then that equation will not be linear equation. Okay, Kasim, can you can put the question?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, the question is that if the power of x is 2 and so it does not satisfy the question, so it is not linear.
No. Linear equation. Look at the definition of the linear equation. Please keep the definition in mind. You told me here the variable is x. And what is the power of x when we were defining linear equation? 1. Now, in this form, this is not the form of the definition of the linear equation. What's the problem here? Problem is 2. Why?
The problem is that the power of x is 2.
Yes. And due to this power, this is not the form of the linear equation. In linear equation, power of A may be something, power of B may be something, power of C may be something, means constant may be anything. 9, and 9 can be written as 3 square. But the power of variable should be 1. That's why this is not a linear equation. Understand, Hamna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Investigate following linear equations for constants A, B, C. This is first answer the question. Is it a linear equation? Anybody can answer?
Yes.
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 This is the linear equation
क्योंकि
because
x की power 1 है.
yes, x
X की power 1 है.
शाबाश, x वेरिएबल है और उसकी पावर 1 है. What is A here? What is B here? What is C here? One by one. Hamna, what is A?
A is 3.
Shabash. Laiba, what is B? Laiba, are you there?
Sir, नहीं है.
नहीं है. चले. What is B?
Sir, B is 5.
5.
B
Sir,
is-
B is 5 and C is 7.
C is 7. Okay. Very well. Now look at this equation. and answer carefully. Is it linear equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why you are saying it linear?
Sir, that is
Because-
because the power of x is 1.
X
Uh,
की power 1.
Yes, yes, yes. Now, what is A here? What is B here? What is C? One by
A2, B6, C7.
A2. What is B?
B6, B6.
B is minus
Yes.
6.
Qasim is correct answering. B is -6, not a 6. Understand? This negative sign is basically included in B. That's why B is what? -6. Zaheb got the
-6.
point? Zaheb?
Yes.
Got the point?
Yes.
Okay. What is C?
C is 11.
C is 11. It's obvious. Now, difference between linear expression and linear equation. X plus 8 is linear expression, and x plus 8 is equal to 12 is linear equation. What's the difference? Because this is why we are saying it expression, because there is no equality sign. There are no left hand side and right hand sides. Therefore, this is just an expression. And why we are saying it linear expression? Because here power of x is 1. And here x plus 8 is equal to 12. This is linear equation because here we have the equality sign. Understand?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes, please put question.
Sir, the question is that if the power of x is 2 or any other number, will it still be a linear expression?
No. We are saying linear expression due to power of variable is 1. And we are using the word expression because there is no equality sign. In fact, there are no left and right hand sides. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Is x square plus 8 is equal to 12 a linear equation? I think this
No,
this question is repeated. No. And this is non-linear equation. X square plus 8 is equal to 12 is a non-linear equation. Next, we go to discuss the method of solving linear equation. And for this purpose, we are going to solve first question. And I will give you the assignment for the next question. Solve the equation x plus 8 is equal to 15. X plus 8 is equal to 15. Zohaib, can you tell me what is the strategy? Solution. We have to find the solution. What is solution? The value of unknown is solution. What is unknown here? That's the variable. This is unknown variable. Finding the value of this unknown variable basically is finding the solution or solving the equation x plus 8 is equal to 15. Once again, I repeat, finding the value of unknown variable is basically finding the solution of the equation or solving the equation. Now, what we have to do, we just have to find the value of x. Now, how can we find the value of x? Please tell me one by one.
Sir, x is
Sir,
equal
can
to minus 15 minus 8.
15 minus 8. How you tell it me?
Sir, क्योंकि
Sir,
8
plus 8
plus
will
है.
go to the other side and it will become -8.
Please repeat the answer.
The plus 8 will go to the other side of the is equal to and it will become -8.
Qasim is answering.
No, Hamna.
Hamna. Okay. You are very right. But we just have to explain it more. This is the equation. X plus 8 is equal to 15. This is the equation. And I earlier told you that this equation has two sides, left hand side and right hand side. and this equation will remain equation when left hand side is balanced by the right hand side, or right hand side is balanced by the left hand side. Now, how can we retain the balance? As you know, if we perform the same operation on both sides, then this operation will not affect the equation. Do you know? If we perform the same operation on the equation of the on the left and right hand sides of the equation, then equation will remain same. Equation will not change. Do you know? This is equation x plus 8 is equal to 15. If you subtract 8 from both sides, will equation change? Zohaib, हमना आप बताएं। अगर आप इस इक्वेशन की दोनों साइड्स, जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड है, उन दोनों साइड्स से 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें, तो क्या ये इक्वेशन चेंज हो जाएगी?
No, sir.
No. Shabash. Performing same operation on the both sides of the equation will not change the equation. And now why we are subtracting 8? Why we are not subtracting 7? Why we are not subtracting 6? Or why we are not adding 8 on the both sides? Can you tell me? Because we
Because
just
the given number is 8.
no, because we have to find the value of x, and we want to keep x on the left hand side. We want to keep only x on the left hand side. If we want to keep only x on the left hand side, we have to remove 8 from here. We have to remove 8 from the left hand side. What's the strategy to remove 8 from the left hand side? We cannot put 8 aside. We just have to perform the operation, and that operation must balance the equation. That operation must perform on the both sides of the equation. That is the only operation that is subtracting 8 from both sides. Look at here how we do it. Subtract -8 from the left hand side and do the same operation for the right hand side. That is -8 from the -8 on the right hand side. Subtract 8 from left hand side and right hand side. Will equation be disturbed with this operation?
No, sir.
No.
No, because you are performing same operation on the both sides of the equation. What are you doing here? You are performing same operation. When you are performing same operation on the both sides of the equation will remain unchanged. What will be the next step? Simplify both sides. What is the simplification? First simplification is that on the right hand side, when we simplify the right hand side, 15 minus 8 will give you 7. And what is the simplification on the left hand side? This plus 8 will be cancelled out with this minus 8. And this is the solution of the equation. X is equal to 7.
Yes, x value is
X is equal to 7 is the solution of the equation. And this is how we can solve the linear equation. And this is exactly Hamna was saying, keep this 8 on the right hand side. The steps behind this keeping 8 on the right hand side are these steps: subtracting 8 from both sides. I think I have explained difference between linear expression and linear equation, and what is equation and how can we solve. Any questions please for today?
No, sir.
Okay, please solve maximum questions of exercise 5A.
okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay. Sir, do we have to send it to you too?
you can share with me. Okay, I think time is over now. We have to leave the class. Thank you very much.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Losses.